In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Elementor for WordPress. If you're looking to enhance your WordPress site's design and functionality with one of the most popular page builders out there, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the simple steps to get you started with Elementor. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the heart of your website, where all the magic happens. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, because that is the gateway to customizing your site. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the WordPress dashboard, which is the central hub for managing everything on your website. Now, direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. You'll see a variety of options here, but what we're interested in right now is the Plugins section. Hover over Plugins, and a small menu will appear. Click on Add New from this drop-down. This will take you to a new page where you can add plugins to your site. Think of plugins as apps for your website, adding features and capabilities that enhance what your site can do. On the Add Plugins page, you'll find a search bar on the upper right corner. Click on this search bar and type in Elementor Website Builder. Elementor is incredibly popular, so it should pop up in the results almost immediately. Look for the plugin that has a pink E icon, a sure sign that you've found the right one. Once you've identified the Elementor plugin with the pink E, you should see an Install Now button right next to it. Go ahead and click that button. The installation process will commence, and it might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After Elementor has finished installing, that same button will change to say Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Activating the plugin is essential, as it allows Elementor to integrate with your WordPress and make its features available to use. And there you have it. Elementor is now fully installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. You can start using it right away to design beautiful, custom pages without needing any coding knowledge. Look for Elementor in your dashboard to begin bringing your design visions to life. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to download Elementor for WordPress. With Elementor now ready to use, you're just moments away from creating stunning, professional quality web pages. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy designing.